across to visuals coming in. President Draupadi Murmu is casting her vote as Delhi goes to polls. It's a high-octane battle. It's a triangular contest between the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party is looking to retain power after being in power for 10 years. For the BJP, it's a high-stakes contest as well as it seeks to wrest power from the ruling Aam Aadmi Party after 27 years. The Congress, meanwhile, will be looking to open its account after it failed to secure any votes in the previous elections. Those on your screens are the visuals of the President Draupadi Murmu, who is gone and is casting her vote as of now. President Murmu exercising her ballot. Kejriwal, Atishi, Paresh Verma, Sandeep Dixit are in spotlight, as are other key candidates who are in fray for the 70-member seat assembly of the national capital. Remember, viewers, in New Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, Paresh Verma and Sandeep Dixit are in fray. Let's go across to my colleagues who are now joining us live. All right, Soumya is now joining us from New Delhi and Gopi joins us from Greater Kailash. Soumya and Gopi, a very good morning to you. Let me go across to Gopi, who's there at Greater Kailash. Gopi, Saurabh Bharadwaj will be looking to regain power. There, contesting against him are Garvit Singh and the Congress, who's contesting from the Congress, of course. How is the voter turnout like there?
Well, in fact, it's 9 already and we have been seeing people coming here at this particular booth where Saurabh Bharadwaj is going to come to cast his vote since 7 a.m. in the morning. While just to show you the visuals around, there is ACP present here to take the stock of this very booth, as today morning there was a complaint received that there was lack of natural light in the polling booth center, after which that very problem was resolved. So voters are coming and going from this very particular booth, while Saurabh Bharadwaj is the Aam Aadmi Party candidate. Shikhar Rai is contesting against Saurabh Bharadwaj, and if you can recall, it was during last elections that Saurabh Bharadwaj had emerged victorious with over 60,000 votes, while Shikhar Rai had got...
भरोसा है कि इस धर्म युद्ध में कालिका माई का आशीर्वाद सच्चाई के साथ, सत्य के साथ, काम के साथ रहेगा और दिल्ली के लोग भी इस धर्म युद्ध में काम को, सच्चाई को, अच्छाई को अपना वोट जरूर देंगे।
क्या दिल्ली पुलिस से आपका नाम आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं को टारगेट किया गया है?
देखिए, ये बिल्कुल साफ है, इस चुनाव में गुंडागर्दी सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने नहीं की है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी और दिल्ली पुलिस की 60 गांठ में गुंडागर्दी हुई है। जहां पर भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी चुनाव आचार संहिता का उल्लंघन कर रही थी, पुलिस ने उनको पूरा सपोर्ट दिया, शह दी, उनको लोकेशन से भगाया। जगह जगह पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पदाधिकारियों के ठिकानों पर पैसा मिला, फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड्स तक पहुंचे, पर दिल्ली पुलिस नहीं पहुंची। तो ये बिल्कुल साफ है कि जो चुनाव में हो रही है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी और दिल्ली